the dealership owner Jay Gansey about the expensive car crime.
It's here in the dealership's lot where those thieves took 5 cars, but before they went to Miami, they stopped here at a nearby racetrack and all of the suspects' steps were caught on camera.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Today we're going to be talking about the age-old problem affecting the automotive industry, and that is car theft. So, without further ado, let's get right into it.
Right off the lot at Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Cape Coral. They disappeared from the dealership under the cover of night and made it all the way to Miami by morning. And get this, one of these guys used nothing more than a laptop to unlock and start the cars.
And we're not talking about some hunk of junk here. Together, the 5 cars are worth nearly $500,000. NBC2's Shannon Close spoke exclusively with...
Let me stop a little bit there. Remember a couple weeks ago, I did a feature on the theft of torque converters and how these criminals will go at length in order to set you back a couple $1,000s. So it's just business as usual.
The dealership owner Jay Gansey about the expensive car crime.
It's here in the dealership's lot where those thieves took 5 cars, but before they went to Miami, they stopped here at a nearby racetrack and all of the suspects' steps were caught on camera. Before we show you the video, I want to introduce you to the owner of this dealership.
You come to work in the morning and you're violated.
Jay Gansey got that feeling
They're probably around 7, 10 in the morning.
on Tuesday when he got a call that 5 cars were stolen from his lot.
Wow. Like the audacity of people, like, how can you?
6 suspects all caught on camera.
I'm shocked.
Accelerating that shock is how carefully this was planned.
It wasn't like they were running around trying to do it quickly. They were doing it like it was no big deal. They were doing it like it was just another day at work for them.
Work, something Gansey does to keep this dealership in business.
And they just didn't steal a car. They stole high-end cars.
1,
They stole a 707 horsepower TRX truck that just came out.
2,
Charger, red eye, wide body Hellcat,
3,
Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8, which is a very rare car,
4,
hybrid Jeep Rubicon that just came out,
and 5.
a Highline Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit.
That value's around $430,000.
They were tracked to Miami.
And remember, manufacturers have tried their best to play a part with new immobilizer systems that have been created, keyless entry systems, even vehicle tracking systems, GPS, are in place, but somehow thieves have always been one step ahead.
That's where they became untraceable.
These guys were prepared for sure.
Of course, Gansey questions, how could he have prepared?
I look at it and say, what did I do wrong? How could I have prevented this?
Truth is, he can tell you, these guys knew.
Yep, all the way into another state where they became untraceable. So someone else was already there waiting to scrap them and took away the GPS that were on those cars. Like I said, always one step ahead.
What they were doing.
And everyone tells me that I've talked to, oh, you got insurance. That's beside the point.
The point is, what they did was wrong.
Don't take anything that doesn't belong to you.
If you see, hear, or know anything, contact Cape Coral Police. Oh, and as for these guys,
Return my cars.
Well, the thing is, just like in the movies, they have buyers ready, the shipping is ready, and the guys who scrap and pull apart the cars are always on hand. So it's just usually for parts or just direct demand for that vehicle, maybe somewhere else in another country perhaps. Sometimes it's right there in your backyard, fully coated with a new spray job and everything, and then the parts are just changed around. It's a number of things that happened during this car theft process. But remember, where there's demand and there's short supply, there's always someone there willing to pay the price. Let me go on to another video and let me explain further what it is I'm about to say to you.
Someone came and stole all the tires from the dealership.
And remember, if they can't get it on the streets at your home or at your place of work, they will always come and take it off the lot. These are heavy duty equipment, and all the tires were stolen off these trucks and tractor trailers. Believe it or not. You know, there's a higher power at work. Well, that's it for today. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Smash that like button on your way out, and remember to subscribe. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.